We had a client that we worked with, and she was really struggling with profitability. She kept raising tuition. She actually did 3 tuition increases within a 15-month cycle, and she still could not catch up. So I helped her work with our 6 money leaks in schools, and she only used 3 of the 6 money leaks and cut her expenses by 50%. 50. She did not fire anyone, she did not slash any of her programs, and she did not work more hours. Again, the 6 money leaks are not hacks or spreadsheets. These are patterns. They are small decisions that feel so normal that your school does, but they quietly drain your school's profit. So if you've ever wondered why you're working so hard, but still not seeing the return, this is your first step to clarity. Click the link in the show notes and find out what it's actually costing you. Today and tomorrow, and for an indefinite future, we face the challenges of the ever-changing landscape of education. But our schools have seen hard times before. And in each of these cases, the school leader's character, values, resilience, and mental strength has been put to the test. I'm Chani Wolshansky, and these are stories of resilience. Together, we will walk through the stories of 6 school leaders who came together with their parents and teachers and made it out on the other side. I believe in the power of resilience to stand back up again. For these stories are one of loss and grief, and consistent progress and inspiration. The past isn't a perfect guide to the present, nor into the future. But to know that there are school leaders who have walked through difficult passages before can help arm us against despair. These stories are vast and sometimes contradictory. That's the dichotomy of leadership. There is no single answer. However, when leaders speak truth to the lies and excuses, when compassionate leaders embrace the pain of the grief-stricken teachers and parents, these moments shape the concepts and perceptions of the future leaders, our children. Our schools will always be complex. There will always be challenges and obstacles, and there will always be a place for joy and for gratitude. These are the stories of resilience. If your accountant has ever told you to cut back on professional development or slash your teacher appreciation budget or your staff development budget just so you could stay afloat, or has told you, hey, you probably can't go invest in that program, please listen. The problem is not that you're spending too much money on your people or yourself or your investment or your support system. It's that your school has invisible money leaks that are draining your profit, leaks that no spreadsheet will ever catch or accountant. So I created the 6 money leaks of schools that show you the 6 core areas that schools lose money every single month without realizing it. If you close even one of them, your profits will start to soar without sacrificing your team. Go get it now and stop blaming the things that are actually building your school.